iPad 12 Gen 2026 leaks, the smartest budget iPad ever? What if Apple's cheapest iPad was about to get its biggest brain transplant ever? The first leaks for the 12th generation iPad, expected in 2026, are here, and they're pointing to a massive performance jump. But there's one rumored feature or lack thereof that might have you thinking twice. Let's get into it. Intro music fade scene 1, the next-gen budget king. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Just when we thought the iPad lineup was settling down, new rumors from Japanese tech blogs like Mako Takara and some fresh code leaks are giving us our first look at the 2026 base model iPad, the 12th generation. And if these leaks hold up, this could be the most significant upgrade to the budget iPad in years. Scene 2, the A17 Bionic. An AI powerhouse if headline feature is the chip. The 12th gen iPad is rumored to be jumping to the A18 chip. This isn't just an incremental bump, it's a massive leap. The A18 is the same chip expected to power the iPhone 16 lineup, bringing a 16-core neural engine. Why does that matter? 2 words, Apple Intelligence. For the first time, Apple's suite of on-device AI features like a smarter Siri, on-device transcription, and advanced multitasking could be coming to the most affordable iPad. This is huge for students, families, and anyone who doesn't want to shell out for a pro model. Scene 3, the display. Good news, bad news, but here's the catch I mentioned. According to sources like Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the base iPad is getting left out of the old party, while the Pro, Air, and even the Mini are expected to move to gorgeous old displays. The 12th gen will likely stick with a standard Retina LCD. For those of you hoping for those deep blacks and vibrant colors, this might be a letdown. On the bright side, it keeps the cost down and the design familiar, as it's expected to retain the same body as the current 11th gen model. Scene 4, RAM, storage, and connectivity boosts buying the chip. We're looking at some other welcome upgrades. The RAM is reportedly getting a bump to 8 GB, which will make multitasking feel much smoother and say goodbye to 64 GB. The base storage is rumored to finally start at 128 GB, which is a much more realistic starting point. In 2026, we're also hearing whispers of Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 support, future-proofing your connectivity for years to come. Scene 5, the all-important price and release to TISO. What's this all going to cost? The best news is that the starting price is expected to hold steady at just $349 for a device with the A18 chip and full Apple Intelligence support. That's an incredible value proposition. As for when you can get your hands on it, all signs point to a spring 2026 launch, likely between March and May. Scene 6, conclusion, the smartest budget tablet ever? So, what's the final verdict on these leaks? The 12th generation iPad is shaping up to be less about a flashy redesign and more about a massive internal overhaul. While the lack of an old display is a bummer, the inclusion of the A18 chip and Apple Intelligence at a $349 price point could make this the smartest, most powerful budget tablet on the market, and an absolute steal for millions of people. It's the perfect iPad for students who need a powerful study tool, families who want a reliable device for entertainment and learning, and anyone who wants to get into the Apple ecosystem without breaking the bank. But what do you guys think? Is the A18 chip enough to make you upgrade, or is the lack of an old display a deal breaker? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Until next time.